Ito yung tumutulo nakaraan dun sa bubong, kaya kung bakit nasira yung ceiling dun sa baba. So yun ang pinakaano guys, pag hindi nyo na-replace yung ceiling nyo, ganun taga mangyayari. Let's do this, I'm gonna fix it. So kaya pala ito nagre-leak na sa loob kasi sirang-sira na rin Ito, sira na. Taan yung punit na yan. Yan, mula dyan, dumadalo yung tubig pa loob. Basa, tapos ito wala pang caulking. Without caulking, you put the pipe without caulking up on the top. So that's the reason water's going inside. The cell's broken outside. Pinakadahilan kung bakit tumutulo na yung dito na parts. Tingnan nyo, basa. It's wet. It's very wet. So I'm gonna leave this for now. I'm gonna let this dry first before I'm gonna do something right here. Just look, it's broken already. That's why the water going inside, and then so there the water right there is drips inside, and then the ceiling is broken. I need to fix the ceiling too, but not too big. But think because I figure out if I didn't, maybe it's gonna be going bigger inside, so that's more work. And so you need to more it will become expensive too if you get a contractor or people doing that stuff. It's super expensive. You can hire. So this one is the rubber is broken already. So what do you think? What do you expect with that? So you can live like that, you don't want to replace that. So for me, it's the best. That's one when I come right here to inspect it, I one by one. So I told to the owner, we need to replace this. Actually, I'm the renter of this duplex, so maybe the owner gonna less for payment for the labor. So I'm gonna try to fix this too. So yan, grabe, sirang-sira. Lot of garbage. Not only the ceiling gonna break it, also the wardrobe it's already broke. Look, so smooth. Yan yung problema pag di napapalitan. Kaya highly recommended guys, if you watch this movie, if you're watching right now, a picture of double check your roping to make sure everything is working good. It's not will become like this.